you should see the weekly cycle analysis and daily cycle analysis for the MDY. We'll go ahead and pull up the weekly chart. And what we're seeing here is that we're coming into a period of risk on the intermediate term where we're getting late in that dominant cycle. You will see late in these cycles the really clear sort of washout periods that you see in each of these periods that are just visible on the screen, right there, right there, right here, here, and that's where we are right now. Now, it's really important to emphasize what's going on a longer time frame. However, this is a big base in the MDY, so overall, this is a really positive situation here, and this would likely be a flag that is poised for higher prices. So at the core, I am still positive on MDY based on that longer term pattern. But right now, we're in a period of risk here over the next 3 to 8 weeks where we're looking for a move down. There's a 38.2 fib right around 506.37 or so. And that would be reasonable going into this low, which is due 520 to right around 715. If we go ahead and shift over to the daily chart, you will see first, a series of bullish right-hand translations where we formed the highs on the right side of each of these cycle brackets, had small pullbacks that led to higher highs. But then you'll see a shift in character where we saw a high that made a new cycle high versus the old high, and then we saw a break of our key low right there, and that turned this cycle bracket down. And that said that there are good odds, therefore, that we would look at this as a bear flag that would be poised to turn back on the downside one more time into this low that is due 523 to right around 611 or so. So in terms of our levels, we have a zone from 531.07 to 536.33. If it moves over on a daily basis, 541.59, this would be marked as a loser. And we are targeting a move down to basically retest this old low, which is also a 61.8 fib at 614.66, and then there's a 78.6 down here at 502.79. So the risk on this idea, which we have now live for level 3 and 4 members, is around $10. We're targeting of a move of right around 16 on the downside. So that's a look there at the short-term short in the MDY.